Here we have some of our different knee braces that we might see in different sporting events. Starting in the top left corner, we have a knee sleeve. This can help with compression and protection, and you'll also see a cutout in the middle of the knee for helping with alignment. To the right of that, we have a very similar knee sleeve with straps. This has a cutout that will provide more support for the patella than the one before. Next to that, we have a knee sleeve with lateral and medial support. So this is the side support that you see on that one. Depending on those side supports, it will help with flexion and extension as well. The last one is the ACL brace, and this provides extra support on the sides, and this can help prevent ACL injuries and also support ACL injuries.